The Parallax Interactive Calculator solves stellar distance and parallax angle calculations for astronomical measurements. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from 5 options: distance from parallax angle from distance, angular shift from baseline and distance, distance from angular shift and baseline, or compare two stars' parallax and distance. For this demo, I'm using distance from parallax angle. Next, choose your angle unit: arcseconds, milliarcseconds, or microarcseconds. I'll use arcseconds. For distance unit, you can select light years, parsecs, astronomical units, or kilometers. I'm selecting light years. The baseline unit offers astronomical units, kilometers, or meters. I'll keep it in astronomical units. Now for our worked example. I'll enter a parallax angle of 0.7687 arcseconds. After clicking Calculate, the calculator determines the distance to the star based on the parallax measurement. This distance represents how far the celestial object is from Earth, accounting for the apparent shift in position when viewed from different points in Earth's orbit. The calculation uses the baseline of Earth's orbital diameter to triangulate the star's actual distance. This tool streamlines complex astronomical distance calculations for research and observation planning. Find the link in the description below.